Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrian and I'm doing videos on photography and photography related products and accessories. I also do unboxing videos, and today we're going to take a look at the new camera that I bought. It's the Fujifilm X-T30. Here's the X-T30. So this one I got on sale and it was a great price and I had to buy it. So please continue to watch and subscribe to see more videos. Bye. Alright, so it's editing Adrian here. So I'm watching the videos back. Alright, so I already did an unboxing video on the X-T30. I'll add a link to that if you want to watch it. And I'm actually going to use, as you can see, the kit lens that I got with the X-E3. So this is the 18-55mm f2.8. It's a great lens, but it's way too big for the X-E3 and heavy also. So I think this looks better with the X-T30 since the body is a little bit bigger than the X-E3. I don't have any filters yet for this lens because it's 58mm, and I'm thinking of getting some UV filter maybe, or a polarizing filter. So just kind of showing you around the camera. We got the quick menu button. It has USB-C, a mode dial up top, shutter speed dial, next let's try to add the soft release buttons. I'm gonna use one of the ones I have from the previous kit. This is a gray one, but it'll do for now. It's also concave, so I wasn't really used to this shape, but actually I got to like it after using it for a while. I do have another one coming in. This is very important and you have to put it in first. So it's very small and it can be a bit tricky to maneuver, but just go for it. Kind of stops how far down the button can screw in, and it will be a good tight fit. Alright, so it looks okay. It's matte, which I like, but it does stand out, and I do want a black one on this. There are people who actually buy different colors, and if you saw on some of the Leica cameras, they actually have it in red. So just going through the quick setup, I did the pairing with the phone, and then an update was available, so I did that as well. Setting the time. And I don't have any SD card yet, but I did get one in the meantime, and that's pretty much it with the setup. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, the button works fine. So that's pretty much it. Alright, and this is a quick test on the new X-T30, but I'm actually using a different lens. It's the 18-55 f2.8. And just for reference, this is the other camera. So listen to this. It's noticeable, but if you use an external mic, it will be fine.